So here is my follow-up video for the Bits and Pieces June challenge. I will be using this chipboard journal page for my collage, and here are the things I picked from each category. I have this rather simple wrapping paper. I also have some envelopes in different colors, and I'm not sure yet which one I will use. I have a bunch of shopping receipts, some crumbled up kitchen foil. I have the doodads with paper clips and so on. Lots of ribbons to choose from, and then I picked some leaves. I have these two ghost or skeleton ones, and then some very bright green ones. For my focal points, I picked these two images from a magazine. I might add more, who knows? And then, of course, I will also put a title, again taken from a magazine, either from my stash or maybe I find something new because at this point I don't really have a clear vision where I'm going with this yet. But first I gessoed my journal page and now lots of gluing and so on. So my process is very, very easy to follow. Like always, all the mediums will be in the captions and I'll let you listen to a bit of music. Of course, I will pipe up if I have to explain something, and I surely will be talking to you towards the end because I will be including all the photos you sent me of all the wonderful entries, so you don't want to miss it. Now, if you're new to the Bits and Pieces challenge, you will find two links below in my description box, which will lead you to my intro video and to my June challenge detail video, and that will get you up to date. So please enjoy watching me work on this, and I will talk to you in just a wee bit. Next, I did outlining, but I had to edit a lot of it out because, yep, my head was always in the way and you couldn't see anything anyway. But I believe you get the idea. I basically went around all the images, the leaves, the envelopes, the details, and so on. So now it's time for a close-up, and obviously this collage tells a story, a message of trouble, hope, and healing. My title is A Much Needed Rainbow, and rainbows stand for all the positive things, all the good things, the peace after the storm, and so on. I added several other elements that carry a symbolism, but I leave any further interpretation up to you. I really enjoyed putting this collage together as I always get a kick out of the challenge of working with unusual things. And I believe you can still make out all the pieces I used. There is, of course, the background wrapping paper, the shopping receipts, my focal points taken from a magazine, my envelope, kitchen foil. Let's see, we have lots of ribbon on the top for the rainbow. Then I have the paper clip right here. I use the second envelope to hold my title and for the hearts. And then I have leaves here on the bottom and here the green leaves on the top. Those were my organic materials. So that's it for my collage, and now to all of yours. Now I again received many wonderful entries, and all the pics will be added right here at the end of my video. I will also indicate where a process video is available, and you will find the link to those below in my description box. So thank you so much for playing along. I see you really soon again, and bye bye for now.